These are the muscles of the anterior thigh. The first one is Tensor Fasciae Latae, which is right here. The origin is the external lip of the iliac crest and the anterior superior iliac spine. Its insertion is through the iliotibial band into the anterolateral surface of the tibia. So it comes down here, it goes down to the tibia. And its function is hip abduction, internal rotation, flexion, and knee extension. And then we have the Sartorius, which is this super long muscle right here. Its origin is the anterior superior iliac spine, so it's right up here. And its insertion is the proximal medial tibia. So it comes down right here. And its function is hip flexion with abduction and external rotation and knee flexion. And then we have the Rectus Femoris, which is right here. And its insertion is the anterior inferior iliac spine. So all three of these insert on the iliac spine up here. And its origin is, or its insertion is the quadriceps tendon into the patellar ligament into the tibial tuberosity, which is right here. And its function is hip flexion and knee extension. And then we have Vastus Medialis, which is right here. Its origin is the medial lip of the linea aspera, which on the femur bone is right here. And the medial supracondylar ridge of the, oh, it's on the back. It's right here. And this is the linea aspera. And the medial supracondylar ridge of the femur, which is right here. And then its insertion is the quadriceps tendon into the patellar ligament into the tibial tuberosity, which is right here. And its function is knee extension. And then we have Vastus Lateralis, which is this muscle right here. Its origin is the proximal part of the intertrochanteric line of the femur and the lateral lip of the linea aspera. So again, that's right here. And it goes into the quadriceps tendon into the patellar ligament of the tibial tuberosity, again right here. And its function is also knee extension. And then we have Vastus Intermedius, which is right here. Its origin is the majority of the interolateral surface of the femur, which is right here. And its insertion is the quadriceps tendon into the patellar ligament of the tibial tuberosity. Its function is also knee extension. And then the last one is Articularis Genu, which isn't on the model because it's super small, but it's on the femur. It lays right here. And its origin is the anterior distal femur. Its insertion is the upper part of the synovial membrane of the knee, which is in here. And it reflects the synovial membrane in the cephalic region during knee extension to prevent impingement.